Hello and welcome to our video on the top 5 best induction cookers for cooking in 2023. Click follow and subscribe to receive the latest notifications. If you're looking for a cooking appliance that provides precision, easy cleanup, and efficiency, then induction cookers are the way to go. Induction cooking uses an electrical magnetic field to directly heat the cookware, which makes it faster and more precise than traditional cooking methods. We've tested over 60 induction cookers in our kitchen appliances and culinary innovation lab to bring you the top 5 best induction cookers for 2023. First up on our list is the portable induction cooktop Isolar 1800W. The Isolar 1800W Sensor Touch Electric Induction Cooker Cooktop is a highly versatile and portable appliance designed to make cooking easy and convenient. With 18 power levels, ranging from 100W to 1800W, this cooktop allows you to quickly choose the desired power for your cooking needs. Whether you want to simmer, deep fry, boil, sauté, sear, steam, slow cook, or grill, this cooktop provides ample power to achieve your desired results. Additionally, it has 17 preset temperature levels that can be adjusted from 140 F, 60 C, to 460 F, 238 C, in 20 F increments, making it perfect for preparing a wide range of dishes. The sensitive large touch buttons make it easy to use, and its compact and lightweight design makes it portable and suitable for areas with limited space. One of the standout features of the Isolar 1800W Sensor Touch Electric Induction Cooker Cooktop is its long 3-hour timer and safety lock. The timer can be set in 1-minute increments by pressing the plus or button, and long pressing the button will set it for 10 minutes. The cooktop also features overheating protection and a child lock for added safety. The rounded edges of the cooktop ensure that there are no sharp edges, making it safe for children to use. Next, we have the Double Induction Cooktop Burner 1800W 2-burner induction cooker cooktop. The Double Induction Cooktop Burner is a perfect choice for those who want quick heating and precise temperature control while cooking. The 1800W Double Induction Cooktop is designed to be faster than a standard double induction burner and has a higher heat conduction effect that meets various cooking needs. Through knob operation, we can control the heat more accurately, and the ventilation duct design can better dissipate heat and prevent damage to the countertop. With 10 temperature levels and 9 power levels, we can quickly choose our desired power from 200W to 1800W in 200W increments, ensuring convenience and fine cooking results. The induction cooker is also equipped with a timer, ranging from 1 minute to 4 hours, to make sure we can set the time according to our cooking needs. The induction cooker is compatible with induction cooking utensils ranging from 5 inches to 10 inches, such as stainless steel, cast aluminum, cast iron, or enameled iron. The child safety lock ensures safety when not in use, and the LED displays the relevant codes on the screen when experiencing unsuitable operations. The surface of the induction cooker is made of high-quality smooth glass, which is scratch-resistant, waterproof, and highly decorative. The Double Induction Cooktop Burner is compact and lightweight, weighing only 5.84 pounds, making it easy to install and carry, and is a great choice for limited space such as kitchen, recreational vehicle, office, or camping. In summary, the Double Induction Cooktop Burner is an ideal choice for those who want quick heating, precise temperature control, and safety features while cooking, all in a compact and portable design. The third induction cooker on our list is the Portable Induction Cooktop AMZ CHEF Induction Burner Cooker with ultra-thin body. The AMZ CHEF Portable Induction Cooktop is an ultra-thin and efficient hot plate that is perfect for any kitchen. With 8 power and temperature levels, you can easily adjust the temperature and power to suit your cooking needs. The induction burner is more efficient than traditional gas, boiling water faster and making cooking much easier. Its sleek and stylish design makes it easy to store in your cupboard, and the non-stick working surface is designed with black polished crystal glass that is both durable and easy to clean. The sensor touch button is sensitive and durable, while the LED display of the electric cooktop clearly shows the setting for you. Safety features include a temperature sensor that can monitor the temperature inside the high-power hot plate, stopping automatically for self-protection when an excessive temperature is detected. The child lock and rounded edges ensure ultimate safety. This induction hot plate works with magnetic induction cookware like cast iron, steel, and enameled iron cookware. Diameter is between 4.72 inches to 10.23 inches. The auto pan detection will shut the unit off automatically after 60 seconds if no cookware, or the incorrect cookware is detected. The 3-hour automatic timer provides high-precision operation, eliminating the need to wait on your food to be ready. Whether you are going on a trip or cooking at home, the AMZ-CHEF portable induction cooktop is a great choice for anyone looking for a fast and efficient cooking solution. Fourth on our list is the Rosewill Induction Cooker 1800-watt induction cooktop. The Rosewill Induction Cooker is an electric burner that comes with a stainless steel pot, making it a complete cooking solution. The induction cooker features 8 temperature settings ranging from 150 to 450 degrees, which can be easily adjusted through the touch control panel. The temperature settings include 150, 200, 260, 300, 350, 400, 425, and 450 degrees, providing a wide range of cooking options to prepare various dishes. The polished crystal plate surface of the induction cooker is not only durable but also easy to clean. The LED large screen display with 4 digits allows easy reading of the current temperature and time. The 3-hour timer setting is an added convenience, eliminating the need for constantly checking on the food while it's cooking. The cooker features a touching control panel that is easy to use and navigate, making cooking an enjoyable experience. The Rosewill induction cooker is not only efficient and fast, but it's also safe to use. Its compact design and low profile make it perfect for smaller kitchens and apartments. With its powerful 1,800 watts of energy, the cooker is capable of boiling water in minutes, making it ideal for cooking soups, stews, or any dish that requires quick heating. The induction cooker is compatible with induction cookware like stainless steel, cast iron, or enameled iron, which is easy to find in most households. Overall, the Rosewill induction cooker is a versatile and reliable option for those who are looking for an efficient, fast, and easy-to-use cooking solution. Last but not least, we have the double induction cooktop AMZ-CHEF induction cooker 2 burners. The AMZ-CHEF double induction cooktop is a versatile and efficient appliance that allows you to prepare 2 dishes simultaneously. With its sleek silver edge and black polished crystal glass surface, this induction cooker not only performs well but also adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor. The touch control design makes it easy to use, and the slim body ensures that it doesn't take up too much space, making it easy to store. The 2 independent heating zones on this induction hob can be used separately or together, allowing you to shorten cooking time and spend more time with your family. The induction cooker has 2 cooking modes, power mode and temperature mode, and each burner features 10 temperature levels ranging from 140 to 464 degrees Fahrenheit and 9 power levels from 200–1800 W. With the countdown digital timer, you can set the cooking time from 1 minute to 3 hours. This electric hob also has a safety lock, high temperature indicator, and auto safety switch-off feature, ensuring your safety while cooking. Additionally, it is compatible with cast iron, enameled iron, and stainless steel cookware that has a magnetic bottom. The AMZ-CHEF double induction cooktop comes with a 1-year warranty and an extra 6-month warranty, ensuring that you have a reliable appliance in your kitchen. Induction cookers have revolutionized the way we cook, and the top 5 best induction cookers for cooking in 2023 offer some of the most advanced features and technology available today. Whether you're looking for a portable option for camping or outdoor cooking, or a more advanced model for your kitchen, there's an induction cooker that's right for you. With their precise temperature control, fast heating, and easy-to-clean surfaces, induction cookers offer a range of benefits for both professional chefs and home cooks alike. So why not try out one of our top 5 best induction cookers and experience the convenience and efficiency of induction cooking for yourself?